You won't believe this. My car just crossed 700,000 miles, and it's never had a major repair. That's right, no blown engine, no transmission failure, and no massive repair bills. Just a reliable, smooth-running machine that refuses to quit. But this didn't happen by luck. It happened because of 13 specific habits I followed religiously. Most drivers ignore these and end up paying the price with breakdowns and expensive shop visits. So before you add more wear and tear to your car without even realizing it, subscribe to Car Care Expert right now. These 13 habits could mean the difference between a junkyard at 100K or a machine that runs past 500,000 miles with pride. Let's dive into the real secrets of long-term car survival. Habit 1. I change my oil like a religion. I don't wait for warning lights or hit 10,000 miles like some synthetic oil labels claim. I change my oil every 5,000 miles. No excuses. Oil is the blood of your engine. Clean oil means reduced wear, better cooling, and protection against sludge. And I always use quality oil filters, no budget junk. This habit alone could have saved my engine from early death multiple times. Next habit, but even the best oil won't save you if you skip this crucial fluid. Habit number 2. I replace transmission fluid before it becomes a problem. Most people ignore their automatic transmission fluid, ATF, until it's too late. I changed mine every 40,000 to 50,000 miles, and the shifts still feel buttery smooth. Neglecting this can destroy a transmission. And I only used manufacturer-specified fluid, no generic substitutes. Habit number 3. I replace the engine air filter often. Dirty air filters choke your engine, reduce power, kill mileage, and invite contaminants. I swap mine every 15,000 to 20,000 miles, even sooner in dusty areas. It takes 2 minutes, costs a few bucks, and keeps the engine breathing clean and running cool. But airflow isn't the only thing that kills engines. Let's talk heat next. Habit number 4. I flush the coolant every 3 years. Coolant isn't just for heat. It prevents rust and scale buildup. I flush my radiator and cooling system every 3 years or 50,000 miles and use the correct mix. My water pump, radiator, and heater core are all original. Coincidence? I don't think so. Next up, a habit that has nothing to do with fluids, but everything to do with mileage. Habit number 5. I drive like I want my car to last. I don't slam the gas at green lights or brake hard at every stop. Smooth acceleration and coasting to a stop saves brakes, suspension, transmission, and fuel. It's not about being slow. It's about being smart. My pads lasted 70K miles. My rotors, still good. Let's go deeper. What's on your dash could be quietly saving your car. Habit number 6. I don't ignore warning lights, ever. Whether it's a check engine light, ABS, or even tire pressure, I address it immediately. Small issues snowball fast. That blinking check engine light at 100,000 miles turned out to be a $50 coil pack, fixed before it fried the catalytic converter. Timely action equals big savings. Next habit, it's dirty work, but someone's got to do it, and I always do. Habit number 7, I wash the undercarriage religiously. Salt, dirt, and grime kill your car from the bottom up. Every month, especially after winter or rain, I wash the undercarriage to prevent rust and corrosion. My exhaust, frame, and brake lines, still solid. Rust doesn't stand a chance when you're consistent. Ready for a tip even experienced drivers often skip? This one adds years to your car's life. Habit number 8, I let my engine cool before shutting off. After highway driving, especially in summer, I let my engine idle for 30 seconds to a minute before turning it off. Why? It allows oil and coolant to stabilize and protect the turbo and internal parts. Instant shutdowns equals heat soak equals long-term damage. But how you treat your battery might be your car's secret killer. Habit number 9, I check battery terminals and voltage monthly. Clean terminals prevent voltage drops and starting issues. I also monitor battery health using a cheap tester. Replacing a weak battery before winter or heat waves avoided me getting stranded and protected the alternator from overwork. We're heading into tire territory now, and these habits are non-negotiable. Habit number 10. I rotate and balance my tires like clockwork. Every 5 to 7,000 miles, I rotate and balance my tires. Why? Uneven wear stresses your suspension, ruins alignment, and wastes fuel. My tires last 60K plus miles, and I haven't had alignment issues in years. 1 hour of maintenance saves hundreds. Next habit protects your wallet and your life, literally. Habit number 11. I check tire pressure weekly. Underinflated tires equals more resistance, equals higher fuel use and faster wear. I use a digital gauge and check all 4 weekly. I also inspect for nails, bulges, and sidewall cracks. It takes 3 minutes and has prevented blowouts and flats more than once. But what's fueling your car could be poisoning it if you don't do this. Habit number 12. I only use top-tier fuel. Top-tier gas brands include detergents that clean injectors and valves. I avoid off-brand or sketchy stations. My fuel injectors and combustion chamber? Clean. No carbon buildup, no power loss. Clean fuel equals clean engine equals more miles. Last habit is all about consistency, and this one's why my car is still alive today. Habit number 13. I keep a maintenance log, always. Every oil change, filter swap, tire rotation, and flush, I write it down. It keeps me accountable and helps diagnose issues early. It also proves to future buyers or mechanics that this car has been loved. Data is power, and this habit saved me thousands in diagnostics and guesswork. There you have it, 13 real habits that took my car beyond 700,000 miles. If this video opened your eyes to better car care, hit that like button and help us reach more smart drivers. And don't forget to subscribe to Car Care Expert for real tips that save you money and keep your ride running strong. Remember, cars don't die, they're murdered by neglect.